In this video, I will guide you the shortcut key for the location symbol in Word document. If you want to insert the standard map pin location symbol, you need to type 1 F 4 C C, press Alt X Alt together. And if you want to insert round pushpin location symbol, you need to type 1 F 4 C D, press Alt X all together. And if you want to insert the location or the word icon, you need to type 1 F 5 F A, press Alt X all together. You can select it and go to the home and give some effect as per your choice, like this one. So these are the easiest way you can insert shortcut key for the location symbol in Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.